All right, guys, I'm gonna do the last two boxes. Okay, for this one, I'm going to copy this one because I do want you guys to know how to do like broken glass. So I'm just gonna do a circle. I'm gonna color it in. I'm gonna do like these little dots around it. Kind of looks like atoms or cells, okay? And then I'm gonna do different size circles. That gives it a variety. It's still kind of a pattern because you have different sizes. It's called like random rhythm. Rhythm goes into pattern and it's a whole lots of fun. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna come around here. Okay, kind of cool, huh? And then I'm gonna go really tiny because it's way out in the distance. You can barely see it. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna just do medium size. I'm gonna have one being cropped off and it's close, so hold on a second because I gotta hold my paper. Okay. And then my hand starts to hurt after a while. Alright, and then I think I'm gonna do another like cropping one, okay? There we go. And then maybe one more little tiny one, just because it looks so lonely out here. Okay, so now that I've got that, I am going to pick, I think a regular blue, or maybe even purple, I don't know. I got regular violet blue, we'll do violet blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair, I'm gonna start kind of just like that, and then I'm gonna go like that. And that's how I do it. I grow like little tiny branches off of it, okay? And then I kind of try to grow it where it feels like it's empty, and then if I really want to kind of grow a little tree, I make my branch a little long, and then you kind of grow off it, and you can kind of do that. You can do this for trees too. Okay, so we got right there, and then there's that. And then you can do different like angles because glass isn't predictable. That's what's kind of cool about it, okay? And then if you want, you can even have it kind of, if you just kind of, okay, kind of add it on. There's that. All right, and then this one at the bottom, I'm gonna make it that big crack because that's where it started. And then I kind of thicken it up, and then you gradually let it thin out. So right there. Okay, and there you go. You got something that looks like either a purple tree or broken glass. Any way you want to put it. I kind of like it. All right, and then there was another one. I think I'm gonna do something like this. So I'm gonna pick a triangle. I'm going to pick my green because I don't really have any green on here. So I'm gonna pick like just a regular grass kind of green. And I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do a triangle in the middle. Okay? And my triangle does not have to be perfect. It's kind of fun when it's not perfect. If it comes out perfect, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so there's that. And then, do you guys remember shading? Okay, so I'm gonna add some shading. You can have repetition of value, a dark to light, okay, or repetition of lines, thickness of lines, size and directions of lines. And so I'm gonna kind of go like this, okay, and then I'm gonna kind of shade it into something going light to dark. depth value. Okay. Something like that if you want. No big deal. I don't really care. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna trace it with some lines. I'm gonna have it go like this. Have my lines extend. I really should use my ruler for this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna kind of go like this. Okay, hopefully I did it right. I don't know. This one's kind of just whatever I make out of it, okay? Patterns can just be whatever. So now that I've done that, I think I'm gonna go yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna add, oh, you know what? I'm gonna do a yellow green to a yellow. So I'm gonna go, and then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna create my triangle. You know, I'll go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna trace my line. All right, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna trace this line. I'm gonna try to be parallel about it too. Let's see how that goes. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to trace my line. Okay, so there's that. And now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a rectangle. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna do, see, yeah, that's a little off. We'll make it a rectangle. And I'm gonna kind of go like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did. I'm gonna repeat the shading part. Okay. And there you go. So now I'm going to find another. I'm gonna go yellow. Or I can do another rectangle. I can go right here. I can just, no, I'm gonna do yellow. I'm gonna go yellow. Okay, I know, tough decisions. Tough decisions. Okay, and then I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna make my line parallel. At least I think it's parallel or close enough. And then I'm gonna make this a rectangle. And I'm gonna kinda just do that. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, there's that. Ooh, I like that. Now I'm gonna come back with my dark green and I'm gonna start doing this again. And I'm gonna create this line. I'm gonna create this line. I'm gonna create this line. Okay, and now where am I gonna put my rectangle? I don't know. I'm gonna put my rectangle right here. Okay. I'm gonna just fold it up. Sometimes I make patterns and I don't even remember how I did. I have to look at my examples and I don't even know where half my examples are. Okay, and there's that. So now I'm gonna go and do my yellow green. Oh, look what I forgot. I forgot yellow right there. You guys see that? So let me see if I can fix it. I'll just make it look like it blends in. Nobody will know. I could have put my green right there. And then I'm just gonna, there we go. We'll finish this off and be done. And there you go, something a little crazy. See, there you go. All done.